Welcome back to our English with Mama channel. I am Mama, or today we have a special topic that will revolutionize the way you understand and use preposition. So, are you ready for the best prepositional trick ever? Preposition can be tricky, but fear not, we have awesome tips and tricks and to make them a piece of cake. So, let's get started. Preposition play a crucial role in English language. They help us establish relationship between words, show location, time, direction and much more. They add depth, clarity to our sentences. However, they can be challenging to gaps due to their versatile and specific uses. But don't worry, we are here to make it easier for you. Now, get ready for the best prepositional trick ever. Are you ready? Here it is. Picture, act and connect. When encountering a preposition, try to visualize the scene or scenarios it describes. For example, if you come across the preposition under, imagine someone or something beneath an object or in a lower position. Now, physically act out the prepositional meaning. If it's round, move your arm in a circular position. If it's through, pretend to pass through an obstacle, imaginary obstacle. Acting out the preposition helps in reinforce the meaning and usage in your mind. Connect. Finally, connect the preposition to the context or sentence you are working with. Think about how the preposition relates to the other words, the intended meaning of the sentence. The step ensure that you are using the preposition correctly and effectively. Let's practice with a few examples to help you solidify your understanding. Are you ready? Great. The book is blank the table. Picturing the book resting beneath the table, or act it out pretending to place a book under an imaginary table. And finally, connecting the preposition under to its meaning of something being in lower position. So the correct answer is the book is under the table. She walked blank in the park. Picture yourself strolling through a park and it take out a step forward and connect the preposition through to the action of moving within or across or space. So correct answer is through. She walked through the park. That's it. Remember the best preposition trick ever: picture, act and connect. By following these steps, you will enhance your understanding and usage to preposition. With prepositions, with practice, you will become more confident in choosing the right preposition for your sentence. Thank you for joining us today on our English with Mama channel. We hope this prepositional trick will be valuable tool in English language journey. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons and tricks to master the English language. Next time, keep exploring, keep learning and keep improving. See you soon.